Welcome, esteemed crew members. This comprehensive video module is meticulously designed to ensure your absolute readiness for an upcoming SIRE 5.4.2 inspection. Our specific focus today will be on the freefall lifeboat, its intricate release systems, and the critical launching appliance, all vital components for maritime safety. The overarching and primary goal is unequivocally simple. The freefall lifeboat must be in a state of absolute readiness for immediate and effective use in any emergency scenario that may arise. Surveyors, during their rigorous assessment, will first and foremost evaluate the crew's profound familiarity and proficiency with this critical life-saving equipment, emphasizing hands-on knowledge and understanding. Meticulous and accurate documentation is not just important, it is absolutely crucial. All weekly, monthly, annual, and the more extensive 5-yearly inspections and maintenance procedures must be thoroughly recorded and readily available for immediate review by the surveyor. This includes adherence to the SOLAS 3/36 checklist and proper maintenance manuals, ensuring a complete and transparent record of all activities. It is imperative to ensure that all markings on the lifeboat are not only present, but also perfectly clear, legible, and easily identifiable. This includes the ship's name, its port of registry, and, critically, the maximum number of persons the lifeboat is certified to carry, all of which must comply with international regulations. Furthermore, verify that all required equipment, as stipulated by safety regulations, is present within the lifeboat, properly stowed in its designated location, and securely fastened. Absolutely nothing should be loose, unsecured, or capable of shifting during adverse conditions or deployment, as this could pose a significant hazard. A thorough inspection of the locking seat harnesses is essential. They must be in impeccable working order, completely free from any signs of wear, fraying, or damage, and specifically designed to release quickly and efficiently, allowing for rapid disembarkation when necessary. Finally, confirm that the interior light of the lifeboat is fully functional and provides adequate illumination. This is an absolutely vital component for maintaining visibility and ensuring the safety of occupants during nighttime emergencies or in conditions of reduced light, allowing for clear communication and operation. The release system of the freefall lifeboat must be robustly protected against any accidental activation, which could lead to unintended deployment. Therefore, it is crucial to check that all safety pins or chains are correctly and securely in place when the lifeboat is not in use, yet they must be easily and swiftly removed for immediate readiness during an actual emergency. The activation handles for the lifeboat's release mechanism must be clearly visible and distinguished by a contrasting color, typically a bright safety orange or yellow. This design ensures they can be quickly and unambiguously identified and operated in the high-stress environment of an emergency, minimizing confusion and delay. Inspect the launching appliance thoroughly and meticulously. Pay close attention to any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage on the rollers and skid plates, which are crucial for smooth deployment. Additionally, carefully check all hydraulic hoses for any degradation, cracks, leaks, or signs of fatigue that could compromise the system's integrity. During the inspection, the surveyor will almost certainly request a demonstration of the lifeboat's engine. It is imperative that the engine starts promptly and runs smoothly for a minimum duration of 3 minutes without any issues or interruptions, confirming its operational reliability under pressure. Beyond just starting the engine, you must also confidently demonstrate that the gearbox engages correctly and seamlessly for both ahead and astern propulsion. This confirms the lifeboat's full maneuverability and control once it is waterborne, which is critical for safe navigation away from the vessel. A very common ground for a negative observation during a SIRE inspection is an officer demonstrating unfamiliarity or lack of proficiency with the lifeboat system. To avoid this critical pitfall, ensure that all crew members, especially officers, are thoroughly proficient and confident in operating and understanding every aspect of the equipment. Incomplete or poorly maintained records are another frequent finding that can lead to significant deficiencies. Always maintain your logbook diligently, ensuring it is consistently updated with all scheduled and unscheduled inspections, maintenance activities, and any drills conducted, providing a clear audit trail. The engine failing to start during an inspection or, worse, an actual emergency represents a critical and unacceptable failure. To prevent this, regular weekly testing of the engine, including starting and running it for the prescribed duration, is absolutely essential to ensure its constant readiness and reliability. Leaving safety or maintenance pins incorrectly in place means the lifeboat is not ready for immediate deployment, rendering it ineffective in an emergency. It is paramount to always double check their proper removal before any inspection or drill, ensuring the system is fully operational and ready to activate. To succinctly summarize the key takeaways for a successful SIRE 5.4.2 inspection, you must be intimately familiar with all aspects of the equipment, be diligently consistent with all required inspections, and maintain meticulous, accurate, and up-to-date records at all times. Ultimately, ensure that the equipment is not only physically ready, but also fully operational and accessible at all times. A well prepared, knowledgeable, and proficient crew is the fundamental foundation for a successful inspection and, more importantly, for guaranteeing the highest level of safety at sea for everyone on board.